At the end of the day, those people who you guys, the retail, and I say this is a broad, I throw out a broad blanket on that because I hear it all day long. I'm on boots on the ground. I have a deep connection to retail traders on social media who will say to me, they're all out to get me, they screw me, those guys see my stop orders, they take the stock down to my stop order, they take me out, and then they run the stock up $5, la la la. You're always hearing when people don't learn the rules and don't get the playbook and they are unsuccessful at trading, they will find someone to blame except themselves for that lack of education. Look, if you are hungry, I can give you a fish, or I can teach you how to fish. You'll never be hungry a day in your life. The best defense against the rug pull, right, which happens in all businesses, whether it's NFTs, whether it's equities or whatnot. In business, we've seen it with the Zach Morrises of the world on Twitter Space, guys who are out there pumping and dumping. Going back to Jordan Belfort, there are bad guys in the space. But if you learn the game and you get the playbook and you do your due diligence and you educate yourself on how to trade, what you do, anybody can hit a buy or a short button, but you need to understand what you do when you get into the trade. How do you execute? Look, executing a losing trade is the same as executing a winning trade as long as you do it correctly, right? So at the end of the day, don't blame people for your mistakes and lack of education. Don't think this is a get-rich-quick scheme. You will get out of this what you put into it, and it doesn't happen overnight. You will get out of it what you put into it, right? It takes probably 3 to 6 months to become a trader. You don't have to lose money learning how to trade. Whether you're trading futures, look, there's all kinds of great stuff going on within the funded futures trading market, right? There's a lot to learn with the Webull's and the Robinhoods and whatnot, how you enter a stop order, how you get in using Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokerage, whatever it is. There's a way to do this correctly. There's a way to educate yourself so that you are successful at it. Let's be clear, the numbers are that 8 out of 10 people who try day trading do not succeed. So the odds are against you. So you need, when you're in a situation, whether you're climbing Mount Everest or trading stocks, when the odds are against you, you need to identify the odds and do everything in your power to protect yourself on the downside.